everyone around us today is talking about digital literacy. Yes, you heard that right. It's about digital literacy and not really going ahead and mastering every tool that's there to master. But you should be aware about how to use some of the tools at our disposal. Thanks to generative AI and the number of tools that are around us, our ability to be more productive at everyday work has increased manifold. If we don't take advantage of this change right now and not put ourselves at the forefront of this change that is happening around us, we are bound to be left behind. And you don't have to be an expert because not everyone needs to build a generative AI engine. But all of us, like how we use mails, laptops, computers, should have a functional knowledge of the changes that generative AI is bringing in our world. So if you haven't started yet, the time is right here, right now for you to go ahead.